Hello there, welcome to Kings and Technology. My name is Karaoke Kings. I will be showing you how to download and install MySQL Workbench and Server. So go to your browser, search for MySQL, click on the first link. I've posted a link down on the description. You can just click it, click on downloads. The link will take you straight to the downloads. Scroll down and click on community GPL and then click on installer for Windows. Click on the first file and then click on no thank you, but you can use an account if you wish to, and your file will be downloaded. Once your file is downloaded, I have my file over here. We need to run it. And now we are prompted to choose the type of setup we need. You can choose full so that you can install everything, but if you just want the server and the workbench and maybe shell, just click on custom and next. And then we go to the server. We need the latest server. Just select the workbench is in the application option, and we have shell over here. Click on that and then click on next. Now click on execute and wait for the products to be downloaded. So our download is complete. We need to click on next and then click on execute for the products to be installed. So the products have been installed. Click next. And then this next step is for configuring the server. So click next. Leave this as it is. Click next. And then you need to set the password for the server. And then click next. Leave this as it is. Click next and execute. Click on finish and then next. And now we have everything complete. So we have checked that we want the MySQL to start and the shell to start. So click finish. So our workbench is ready and we have the server. We need to create this connection. So click on it, input the password that you saved during the installation and click OK. And you have your MySQL Workbench, and here you can run MySQL codes. There is one thing that you really need to do, especially since it's the first installation. You need to turn off the safe mode. So click on edit, go to preferences, and then go to SQL editor, scroll down and uncheck this. This will allow you to update columns in tables and many other things that you can do when the workbench is not in the safe mode. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just send it as a comment. If you want to appreciate me, subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can be updated when I upload some more content.